Hi, Sheldon.
Hey.
Welcome here.
I'm excited to get warmed up with some Chinese food.
That's the right place to come then.
I heard that Tai Tung is the oldest Chinese restaurant here in Seattle.
Yeah, we are. Since 1935.
Yeah.
82 years now.
The International District in Seattle started off as the city's Chinatown in the 1800s. Harry Chan is a third-generation owner of this iconic Seattle culinary institution. What dish are we going to be cooking first?
We're going to cook Bruce Lee's favorite dishes.
Okay.
Oyster sauce beef.
So we use flank.
Yeah, we use the flank steak.
Whoa, 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 whoa. This cutting board is amazing. Pure wood. You can see that it's been used for many years.
Oh yeah, we have been here a long time.
Yeah.
We use that every day. We marinate the beef.
Salt, a little bit of magic,
White pepper, sesame seed oil, a little bit baking soda.
and then a little bit of cornstarch, a little bit of margarita mix.
Here we go. Don't get drunk.
Showing me the secrets, huh?
Oh yeah.
And that goes right into the flank steak.
Hey, you're doing good, Sheldon.
All right.
Hey, that looks beautiful. Wow. Hey, that's right. All right. Yeah.
Is it good?
Look good.
Hey, I got approval from the team. Woo! That was one of my best experiences right there, serious. Everyone's been working here a long time.
Oh yeah. How long you been working here? 38 years.
38 years.
Yeah. 12 years. Huh? I finally get it, 32 years.
32 years. Good boss?
Yeah, good boss.
Yeah.
That's why one thing good about our dishes here is consistency.
Chop suey, egg foo young.
A squid Chinese style. That's a Chinese broccoli with oyster sauce. Bruce Lee, when he was in Seattle, this corner, the corner that he always liked to sit.
Well, I'm honored. Well, hopefully I get some of those moves after I finish up some of these dishes.
Okay?
You're here usually every single day.
Every day. You know, I like what I'm doing.
Okay.
So my hobby is working.
Oh, yeah.
When it's snowing out there, sleeping back, I will be here.
So you sleep here.
I sleep here because I want to make sure the doors are open.
Tell me about this, where the restaurant is located in this district.
We are located in Chinatown. Early 30, that when we first opened, we used to have a lot of Chinese community because the people, they come here to work. And most of them are men and single. So they live here and they eat here and they work here.
You've never laid off an employee here.
You know, we never lay off people.
Yeah.
Well, that's why we have the employee here work here more than 50 years. Some of them later on to open their own business, open their own restaurant, you know what I'm saying?
Chinese restaurant classic always to have this, the chop suey, oyster sauce beef. So simple yet so delicious. Your grandfather came here from
South China, it's called Canton.
How did he come to Seattle?
That time it's hard to find a work in China. So he come over American. After the gold rush, they have to look for a job. So and he started in 1935. And then later on, my father and my brother, they came over from China. Yeah, I came over here when I was 20. So I started with the dishwashers, pet work. You know how hard to peel the pea pot? One by one, wow. You're gonna know the whole kitchen. Now I have my nephew, they also helping out the restaurant. My grandson, he start working at the restaurant now. generation working here.
Here in Tai Tung. That is a testament to your family right there.
Yeah.
Did Bruce Lee live in Seattle?
Yes.
Okay.
In the early 60s. And he go to school here, he hang around with the Chinatown.
Yeah.
One of my friends who have been work in the kitchen before, and he was a roommate with Bruce Lee for 2 years.
What kind of person was Bruce Lee?
Well, don't make him mad. Otherwise you get in trouble.
Yeah, get the food on the table quick.
Yeah. All the waiters, they know what he
know.
wants. So all he do, he come in, he sit here, and then they give him tea, water, and a bowl of soup. And then oyster sauce beef with rice. And of course, they give him a bill, make sure he pay.
So you came here when you were just 22 years. Tell me how the city has changed from back then to now.
Seattle used to be a quiet city. Last 5-10 years, the Seattle is growing a lot. But one thing, Tai Tung never changed. We're still at the same location, same family operator, and same recipe from the beginning.
Where do you see the future of Tai Tung?
I have to take care of my employee, and I have to take care of the customer that they love the Tai Tung food. So I have a lot of customers tell me, don't close it.
Yeah.
I said, don't worry.
No,
I will be here. As long as I'm here, the door is open.
Chef, I hope you brought your knives.
I brought everything for my style chef. Yes, chef.
We're cooking both Tai Chan, a cured beef salad.